This is the AI News Flash for June 9th, 4 p.m. UTC. First up, NVIDIA has finally landed Apple as an AI customer, according to Barron's. Apple had long been one of the few major holdouts avoiding NVIDIA's GPUs in its own facilities, but it has now moved to adopt NVIDIA chips for its AI infrastructure. Building and serving its own AI models demands enormous compute, leaving Apple unable to fully steer clear of NVIDIA's ecosystem. With the four big hyperscalers pouring over $700 billion into capital spending, NVIDIA has now pulled in one of the last remaining major holdouts, reinforcing its dominant grip on AI silicon. Next, EU regulators have ordered Meta to give rival AI chatbots free access to WhatsApp, Reuters reports. The move comes under the Digital Markets Act, pushing back against Meta favoring its own Meta AI and locking down its platform. WhatsApp is a messaging backbone with billions of monthly users, so opening it to outside AI carries major weight for the competitive landscape. Rivals like OpenAI and Anthropic could gain a direct path to Meta's vast user base, making this a key test of how far Europe's regulation of big tech AI can reach. Third, the Bank of England has warned of a surge in AI-powered scams, according to The Guardian. A fake video of Nigel Farage and Governor Andrew Bailey fighting spread across X, cited as a striking example of deepfake technology threatening trust in finance. AI voice cloning and face swapping used to impersonate public figures are fueling investment fraud and fake payment requests that are increasingly hard to detect. With a central bank chief personally flagging the risks of AI-generated content, consumer protection and AI governance are becoming serious policy concerns for financial authorities. Fourth, AI infrastructure firm Crusoe says its contracted capacity is approaching 5 gigawatts across data centers and cloud. Crusoe has grown fast by running AI data centers on surplus and stranded energy, and this scale underscores the explosive growth in AI compute demand. 5 gigawatts is comparable to several large nuclear reactors, highlighting how AI infrastructure is running into power as its biggest constraint. As independent AI cloud players like CoreWeave and Nebius pile up massive capacity, Crusoe is emerging as a leading name in the second phase of AI infrastructure. Finally, a Johns Hopkins study shows an AI diagnostic tool reduced eye care disparities for African American adults with diabetes. By having AI assist diabetic retinopathy screening, early diagnosis becomes possible even for groups with limited access to specialists, helping cut the risk of blindness. It's a concrete case of AI serving as a frontline screening tool and directly improving health equity, where medical resources are unevenly distributed. With FDA-cleared AI medical devices on the rise, this marks real progress in AI moving from diagnostic aid toward clinical screening. That's all for this AI News Flash.